I'm still here and I'm still buying things I don't need. First off, as is tradition, this isn't sponsored. I'm wasting my own money because I'm keen on providing y'all with a nice and unbiased review of my experience and hope to help someone in their purchasing journeys. I haven't seen a whole lot of coverage for Hobby Bee on YouTube, so I thought I'd share my order experience with you. I made this order a few months ago when I saw that they had a kit I missed out on the initial pre-order for. Although I paid a slight premium on these, and I do mean slight, between Hobby Bee's flat rate shipping and my usual cost of kits in my region, everything came out to a reasonable cost, and I was overall very happy with my purchase. The initial thing I noticed is that they reused another box for shipping the items out. I'm not sure if this is standard for them or not, but I like this. Saves a couple trees and all. Regarding shipping times, I didn't have any special expectations, but I guess I ordered at the right time because it only took a week from placing the order to have this arrive at my door. They were prompt with their handling and had my items out of the warehouse within 24 hours. Anyway, let's take a look at what I got. First up is the Ludens from Kojima Productions and Kotobukiya, released in February of 2020. I've seen this kit around quite a bit still, at least compared to some of the other kits Kotobukiya releases. I'm not quite sure why, because I feel like the design is pretty appealing. This kit comes in two different color variants, the other being black. I got the white because I liked the detail visibility on her a lot more. The details on this kit really seemed top-notch based on the pictures, but I'll find out how accurate that is when I actually get around to building her. Next up is a kit I'm too dumb and lazy to know the proper pronunciation for. This one is 100% phoned in. One of the earlier kits I ever bought was the other Bikini Armor one, released in 2019, and this just proves I continue to have no shame. This kit was released in May of 2021, and is a bit too highly priced in my opinion, but that's the natural law of things, isn't it? There isn't a whole lot to say about the kit details itself. The one from 2019 was pretty easy and quick to build, so I imagine this one will be very similar. While flipping through the book, and on the box, I noticed that they have some compatibility parts with another kit that was seemingly impossibly difficult to get, but I guess I'll keep an eye out for it if I'm ever so lucky as to run across one in the wild. The last kit in my haul is probably the most I'm excited for. She was released in July of 2021, and I missed the initial window for pre-ordering her, and I've been searching up and down the internet ever since. I finally managed to find her on Hobby Bee, and decided the price was reasonable enough for me to finally pull the trigger. Her box is one of the largest that I've seen for the Megami device kits, but given how large of a kit she is, that does seem reasonable. And for her price point, I really hope that is the case. Now the only one I still need to seek out is the Asura Ninetales, but we already know how the aftermarket is going to be on that. I'm pretty sure I missed my chance to get her without having to sell my car. I have made 2 pre-orders for other kits that have a release date later this year. I went with Hobby Bee because their flat rate shipping saved me around $20. Lord knows I have enough kits to build, so I don't mind waiting the bit of extra time it takes for them to get the kits before they can ship them out to their customers. Anyway, that's it for this review. This was a very quick one because the overall process was so straightforward for me. Overall, it was a very pleasant experience, and they met all my expectations. I don't have any complaints, and I do look forward to wasting more of my money with them in the future. I'd love to hear if any of you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a comment below. Until next time, thanks for watching.